FCEL up 21%. This is Tuesday, the 9th of September 2025. The company disclosed its earnings outcomes, and they were better than what they were last year, but not as good as what the analysts were expecting. So at some point in this session, it dropped, but it has since reversed those losses. So it's equally trending following those disclosures, and it has also reignited debates over the company's long-term potential versus its near-term financial challenges. While revenue growth showed encouraging signs, widening net losses and restructuring charges continue to weigh on the sentiment. Investors are split between those who see the company as a high upside clean energy play and those who view it as a company still struggling to prove its commercial viability. Okay, a key theme in the discussion is the company's potential in the AI data center space as an infrastructural enabler. Okay, supporters argue that the company's fuel cell technology, which provides on-site clean power with carbon capture capabilities, could uniquely position it as a solution for the next wave of AI-driven infrastructure. Critics, however, remain cautious, pointing out the execution risk and the need for major commercial contracts to validate this vision. Yeah, going by this caution from critics, we can see. Yeah, let's see what we have. They disclosed a couple of their commercial clients. I don't see. Let's see whether I could be wrong. Let's see whether they have any hyperscaler in the midst or any AI related customer there or any AI related client. Okay, energy companies. Okay, clients include large companies like Dominion, POSCO Energy, NRG Energy. Okay, I see what you mean here. Yeah, okay. NRG is, I think they're also a client. They also NLG is a client to some of the hyperscalers. I think so. Yeah, that's where they will come in. So maybe then FuelCell Energy is not a direct customer to yeah, not a for now, not a direct customer to some of these hyperscalers yet. But it's probably there because NRG Energy is probably there. Dominion is probably there. POSCO probably there as well. So it's a third party in that space. It seems it is probably a third party in that space. So the ongoing partnership with Exxon also remains a major point of focus. Many investors are watching for signs of the collaboration evolving into larger scale commercial deployments, particularly in carbon capture applications, which could significantly change the company's trajectory. Okay, so many traders are comparing the company's prospects to competitors like Bloom Energy and Plug Power, both of which face their own profitability challenges, but have broader market footprints. Some see fuel cell energy as a laggard with room to catch up, while others worry it could be left behind if rivals scale more quickly. Okay, underlying trend strongly bearish. The strength is expected to remain in place up till Friday, the 12th of September. Then after that, we might see a contraction of the expansion that began on on Friday, the 5th of September. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we have in terms of projections. We have 5.29, 5.86, 6.22. And let's see what we have. Before now, as of the 25th of July, we had 7.54, 8.59, 9.24. Yeah, okay. Selling pressure, or rather, the price pressure momentum is strongly bullish. Rather, the 10 and 21-day moving averages are in trend mode. Yeah, strong, especially the 10-day moving average, it's in strong trend mode. However, we have negative derivatives indicating that the strength that it has seen is not going to remain in place. It's abating. It's weakening. Hence, the extrapolation possibly the reason behind this extrapolation that is saying that it's going to be rejected and lower prices may begin to print. Yeah, we could have a look at its 4 hour chart and see what's going on there. So we have a rejection coming in from today from the yeah from the close of today's from the post market session of today, and it is expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 17th of September. After that, we might have a bounce. Down here, we see everything. Yeah, the stock is still in trend mode. However, we also have negative derivatives here. 3 out of the 4 derivatives are negative, indicating that yeah maybe a reversal is imminent. Yeah, so let's see. All the other things we could still try and see. We've seen the projections already on the daily chart. We've seen the projections there. Do we have anything? Yeah, we have 5.32 here. It has already 5.32. Yeah, printed that today. Yes, it was today that was printed. And the probability of that reprinting is there, but not very high. Yeah, but we could still this here. It says if you use this chart, it's not going to give you anything stronger than 5.32. It's not. It's going to give you a probability that is less than 50% that it may be retested. But if we have a look here on this daily chart, we may get we may have more data points that might give us something totally different. It could give us the reverse 5.32. Let's see, 5.32 will be somewhere around here. Okay, here it says, yeah, according to what we have, it's saying that it has the probability is 50% and greater that it may be retested. 5.32. Let's see. Yeah, okay, we're still up there. 5.32, 50% chance on and greater. Let's see. Yes, as well. Still the same. Still the same. This is all the way back to the 10th of July. We try again on the 4th of July. Yeah, 5.32 as well. Yeah, still indicating that there's a 50% chance or greater that that can be retested. As of late June, we got that as well. Let's try and see. We're now trying the data as of early June, 5.32. Yeah. Okay, this time around is less, but we had a couple of other ones that were higher earlier on. Less now and less now. So I think, well, let's just say it has moderated the projections, the ambitious projections that were saying that there was a 50% chance or greater. So we just say it's even. It's even. Yeah, there's a there's a good chance that can 5.32 may be retested, and it's really not that far from it. It's just trading at a slight premium, slight discount to this price. But yeah, just have a look and see what you make of FCEL. And thank you very much for watching this video.